DesignerLogic now offers the ability to export events directly from the DesignerLogic calendar onto your own personal and work calendars like Outlook, Google, and iCal. This can be done when you create a new event simply by leaving this little checkbox here checked when you create the event. So we're going to fill out a project here. We're going to use an item that this event is related to. We'll say it's this rug. We're going to put in a time. And once we have this event all filled out, we're going to hit Save Close, and we're going to choose the calendar that we want to export it to. ICS is just a standard one, but you can choose Apple, Google, or these other ones, but we're going to choose this. And it's going to go right to our default calendar on the computer, which is Outlook in this case, and you can see that information carried over with the times and the project and the note for that. And when you hit Import, it's going to automatically put it on your Outlook calendar. And when we open Outlook Calendar, you can see right here, you have a 3:30 rug installation event already there in your calendar. Now there's another place also you can do this from, is in DesignerLogic's calendar itself. If you go to, we'll go to the previous month as an example. If you go to any of these previous months events here, you see this little download icon right here. If it's faded out and you hover over it, you'll see that that has already been downloaded, so you don't accidentally do something twice. But if it's a full color here, you can see download event to your calendar. So if you want to take this event, put it on the calendar, just click that little link, hit download. It works the exact same way. Just hit import, and then it's going to be on Outlook's calendar. And in this case, it is in August. Now this makes it really easy to export events directly from DesignerLogic, things like shipping and installs and things like that, to your own or work calendar that syncs across all your devices as well as your phone.